GBPUSD this week has started to rise in value. We can see that price formed this bullish breakout above 1.29885 and the price could not stay above. The next day the candle has created this bearish candle where this bullish breakout has been invalidated, and the price formed this bearish breakout going below 1.29885 and reached the next support level at 1.28821. From here the price has retraced back up, trying to make a retrace going above, but this first resistance has stopped the price. This selling pressure here and also supply zone has pushed the price again on a Friday, going all the way back down to the first support level. So far now we can see that the price is in between this resistance level and this support level. Weekly time frame shows me another bearish candle where we can see that it is almost a bearish engulfing candle. We can see that this is currently a bearish momentum that has been triggered for several weeks ago, and currently the monthly time frame looks like indecision candle, but we have several weeks until this month closes, so the monthly time frame is still open to see how it behaves. Currently the price is at a very important level, and we can see that the next support is 1.27663. What I can see, it is a still bearish momentum where I'm expecting that the price will drop in value. So this is the next target that I am expecting, going below 1.27663. But 1.27663 is this area here. This is the support where the first support needed to be broken is this one, 1.28821. So I'm expecting that the price will try to make a bearish breakout, and if it makes this bearish breakout, the target will be 1.27663. We can see that here is very important support level. Now, based on this one, what I can see, I really do not expect that the price will manage to make a bullish breakout going above 1.29885, but this also could happen, so everything is still open. But currently what I can see, the price is trying to go to the lower levels, and this is the first target that needs to be broken. So I'm waiting on a Monday or Tuesday until when the price makes a bearish breakout. This will be the next target here, 1.27663. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.